야 이 개짖는 소리 좀 안나게 하라.
Went to my friend's apartment just to hang out. Thought it'd be quiet, nothing crazy tonight. Then from somewhere behind the wall, a sound broke in, barking way too loud. Couldn't tell if it was big or small. Didn't matter, it echoed through it all. Laughing slowly turned into stress. This wasn't noise, this was a test. 야 이 개짖는 소리 좀 안나게 하라. Barking, barking, shaking up the night. 야 이 개짖는 소리 좀 안나게 하라. Our voices getting louder every time. We didn't have a mic, didn't plan a show. Still we stood up straight and let it go. The moment that we shouted, hey, the hallway joined us in delay. Dog barking back, we shouted more. Who's louder now? A sound war. Noise on noise, stacking high. The whole apartment touched the sky. Yeah, 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 yeah. 야 이 개짖는 소리 좀 안나게 하라. Barking, barking, nobody gives in. 야 이 개짖는 소리 좀 안나게 하라. Noise fighting noise, who's gonna win? Didn't know someone was filming then from a window we never seen. We were just yelling, nothing more, but the world pressed record. Next day my phone wouldn't stop. Did you see the notifications pop? Started as a joke, ended insane. The numbers climbing like a game. Man, this is crazy, right? 10,000, 100,000 overnight.